Hi, my name is Katie. Today we're going to go over our submit e-file forms for our state and federal returns. First thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. You're going to go to Firm Templates. Normally this is going to be part of your pipeline, but we can also set it as a one-time task if necessary. You're going to go to your tasks, and then you're going to find that task. You can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to open your task for you. This task is pretty self-explanatory, so it doesn't have much information. You're going to assign it to a role or a team member. And then it is due today, or starts today and is due today. You go ahead and click Save and Exit. And if we sign it as a task, whether it's in your pipeline or as a one-time task, once it is set up, and you click on it, this is what it's going to look like. You'll have whoever it is assigned to. So if we assign it to my team member, it will look like this. We're going to go ahead and click Create. And here you can see the task is all set up for that client. The name of the task, the due date, and the team member that it is assigned to. If they click on it, it's going to show them all the exact information that they need to be able to do this task. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.